the last of many possible applications that come about because we're able to connect computers, network being two or more devices connected together, and we're able to share information and resources, is something known as telemedicine. So there are many possible applications that come out of networking, and we're only talking about a few of the ones that are important to me and are also pretty significant in the world right now. But the last one, which we're going to talk about in this first series of videos, is telemedicine. And basically what telemedicine is providing medical services to anybody, anywhere in the world, where the person providing the service and the person receiving the service are in two different locations. And so that can look like a variety of things, right? That can look like, let me see if I have some pictures here. I do! How awesome, how exciting. You know, that can look like, two people conferencing like this, doing some video conferencing, or a patient and a doctor. Well, that's really old school TV. Communicating with each other, and there's some remote monitoring medical equipment feeding some information maybe to the doctor. Here's something else which is interesting. I'm not quite sure what's going on in this picture. I found it out of context. But here somebody's doing something with a screen, and it looks almost like some sort of remote surgery. And in fact, if you search for like telesurgery or remote surgery, you'll be able to find information about how a doctor in one location can be operating equipment, robotic machinery, in another location. And so here they're right side by side, but there's no reason they couldn't be, on the opposite ends of the planet. And this could actually assist the doctor in being more accurate, being steadier and stabler, because the computer could take out vibrations in the hand, shaking in the hand, and just do, the right cuts where they're supposed to be. He might even be able to create like this is where the path needs to be, digitally draw, and then the computer and the robot would then do the cutting or the extraction or whatever it was supposed to do. So there's just some interesting things happening with networks and with medicine and with telemedicine, providing medical services to people who are at a distance from the person providing the service. So that's telemedicine. Main thing you need to know is providing medical services where the provider and the receiver are in two different locations. And this can be done with, a really expert doctor helping out, other doctors, in another location. They're just video conferencing, or with medical equipment that would like monitor me and then send the results to the doctor, and then I could video conference with the doctor and the doctor could tell me what's going on. So that's kind of a broad category, but it's something that is good to know about and that I want you to know about now that we're talking about networking and you hear about it. And there's also some pretty amazing developments in the field like telesurgery, or doing this kind of a thing where people in two different locations can be providing medical services. One person here, patient over there, and the medical services can be provided. That is telemedicine.